Hello everyone, welcome today on Saturday in the daily newspaper on yes it's October the 3rd 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku and this one is a medium Sudoku, and this will be number 1677. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14, 15, 16, 17, plus 4 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Printed digits, so you can say, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudokus in the additional with extra Sudokus, this is a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. I see here an 8 in this row, an 8 in the second row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with, well, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in one of these 2 boxes in this column, and 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about how about the number in the second row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in that box, so the 7 could be here or there. Well, we see here also another 7, so no 7 here. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7, and we see there 7, so no 7s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then, how about the number 3 missing numbers in this second column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 2 boxes left in the second column for the numbers 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 could be here or could be there. That means that we have a 6 in the first one of these 2 boxes in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 9 here and a 9 there. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this first column for the number 3. These 2 boxes in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this last column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 6. How about 1, 2, 3 is missing in the first row and the 9 is missing. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 9. Then 1, 5, 2. 1, 2, 9. Alright. We have an 8 in this column. An 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. And then. How about the number? In this middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a... Oh, wait. Let me do something else. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4. Then 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 2. These 2 boxes in this big square are reserved for the numbers 1 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 1 box left in the last row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 9. Let me mark them for you. 1 and 9. How about these 2 numbers in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 9 also. 2 and 9. We have a 9 here in this big square, so no 9 there. The 9 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 1. So we 2 boxes left. Wait. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 1 box left in the last column for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 9. We have a 9 now, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 6. Final 2 numbers of this big square, the 6 and the 4. No, the 6 and the 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes, alright. Great Sudoku, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the quintuplet. Maybe one of my last quintuplets, because I need to decide to stop with the quintuplets, because it's more than an hour when you want to solve them, and I'm not fond of those Sudokus. So maybe 2 more and then I'll quit with the quintuplets. Alright, see you later. Bye bye for now.